What is up, YouTube? Hey, I just picked this up. Today is April 10th, 2024. This was just released today. I'm trying to get back into baseball cards. I actually haven't gotten a pack of baseball cards in many a years, but I had a bunch of cards when I was a kid. So, without further ado, just gonna open this bad boy up. Um, I'm looking forward to this unboxing. Alright, so this says that you can collect 1 to 500 of the 275 card sets. This is what the back looks like. Baseball 2024. Baseball 2024. I do like that it's funny. It says that the Topps doesn't guarantee if something becomes counterfeit over time. So, anyway, that's funny. I am a Cincinnati Reds fan here up towards Dayton, and it would be awesome if we could get Elly De La Cruz rookie card. We shall see. I think they call these hangers pack. I've got my first rookie, Julio Pablo Martinez, I believe. We'll separate the different cards. Nolan Jones, Ryan Weathers, Alan Winans, if I'm saying his name right. Julio Rodriguez, Alvarez. Right. Rangers win first World Series. That's pretty cool. Actually, I didn't know that was their first World Series win. That's kind of a cool card. Aaron Judge, he's a great player. Luis Castillo, I really hate that the Reds got rid of him. He was one of my favorite pitchers. David Hamilton, Anthony Rizzo, he often killed us when he was on the Chicago Cubs. Sean Murphy. I guess there is some autographs in here. These are all copied, but they're supposed to be exclusive. Max Scherzer. Diaz. Let's see. Ronald Acuna Jr. I always like Acuna. Weston Wilson. Riley Green. Bobby Witt Jr. Yeah, Jeimer Candelario. We just picked him up, so yeah. We could put him off the side. That one. And there we go. Reds clinch. Those are some cool cards. I'll have to go back through them. I'm still trying to learn a little bit on some of the cards, the different conditions and what they are. But yeah, that was pretty fun. So hopefully you enjoyed it. And if I pronounced anybody's name wrong, just let me know.